What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and here today with my weekly Dollar Tree shop with me. So I'm here on the makeup aisle, and I have to say, you guys, I'm noticing a few new nails. This set here is really pretty, and these are by Sassy Chic. I'll just show you guys all the pretty nails. They have the 80-piece set here, the artificial tips. We have quite a bit today. Some of the coffin nails are back. I think they're getting a shipment in right now. If you guys hear all the squeaking, I think that's what's going on. And then we have lots of nails for girls as well. I think these are smaller. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they actually have a lot of nails for little girls. I think these ones with the dots are new. The yellow and blue here is so cute. The kitties. We have Frozen. We have Disney princesses. Dory. Oh, this little one is so cute. These are so adorable. And then we have some more Sassy Chic nails that I haven't seen before, like this set right here. It's kind of like a French tip, but with dots. This has a little strip of glitter. This pair, the nail is kind of a light pink. Then we have a shimmer over the pink tips. We have one up here. Let's see if I can grab it. Sort of a gold foil black and white cheetah print or animal print. And I think these ones are so cute with the little tiny bows and the dots. They definitely have lots to choose from. I really like this one. That's super cute. Then they have the little nail art packs. The bows are still here in this location. I know some of you really like to use those for crafting. Oh, and I think these are new this week. It's a little fashion nail file in a case, and then you get a second matching file. Those are super cute. Looks like they also have it in the red and blue, and then we have sort of a green and blue here in the back. I'm not seeing any new polish. This store has all the Kiss gel polishes. I think the colors are all so pretty. I really love that blue. This is such a pretty color too. But you guys, they really chip for me. Some polishes really work for me and some chip for me. And as cute as these are, they actually chip for me. I have a couple of them at home. This location has the little boxes. Looks like the boxes are back. And I'm seeing some prints that I haven't seen before. This one is sort of a southwestern. We have a mandala one. Wow, they really have a lot of prints here. More floral. Lots and lots. These are so cute. I've been enjoying mine. I have it in my closet, and I have some jewelry in there. And I gave one to Birdy. I'm not sure what she has in hers. But these are super cute. I know some of you even like to glue them together and make them taller. Let's see, what else do we have that might be new? They have the beauty blenders in pink and blue and green. They all look like they're the same shape. Some of you have been hauling the new pure silk, I think it's like coconut scented shave gel, but I haven't seen it yet. That's on my wish list. Why don't we head over and see if there's any new stickers? Let's see, I think all this washi is the same. This one might be new. The fox is super cute. Aww. Lion, frog, fox, elephant, monkey. That's really cute. Let's see what else we have. Oh, this little wilderness themed one. I have this one at home. I think it's so cute. This one's kind of cute too, with the pink and blue dots. I like that. I've been looking everywhere, you guys, but I never did find the Moodles drawing books or any of the higher priced coloring books. Looks like these are back, paint sets. Let's see if there's anything new over here. I never found the rose gold push pins or paper clips. Did you guys ever find those? They have the skinny washi. I think this is last year's variety though. We have some magnets. Oh, this little one with the birds is cute. Okay. We have some adhesive spray. I know some of you like to stock up on that when you see it here. We have the fastener dots. It looks like we have some new notebooks this week. We have this pretty one that says this and that. It's really nice and sturdy. We have organized chaos. And then we have good vibes only. Let's open one up and take a look. Nice. I love these little jot notebooks. I think they're super nice. And then of course we have some of these other ones from past weeks. Live, laugh, love. I think that's it, you guys. The cute little 4-pack of notebooks. Life is Sweet. I think these are back from last year. Oh, and also something that's back from last year are the Color Scents. The scented medium-tipped felt pens. We have them in the red and green. We have them in the blue and orange. Also the black and purple. And I think that's it. Let's just check this pile here real quick. In the blue and orange, if I didn't say that already. Yeah, I know some of you liked using those. Some of you that hauled these last spring really liked them. As you guys can see, I am here on shipping day. So When I come back next week, there's probably going to be a lot of new items, but look what I found, you guys. They have some new wax melts, Sweet Peony and Spring Rain. And I think these are brand new. We have Soothing Eucalyptus and Lavender, Rose Water and Cherry Blossom. And last but not least, we have Passion Fruit, Coconut, and Tropical Island. Nice. And I think these are new too. Piña Colada. This smells really good, you guys. And it's a soy blend candle. I love that this location still has these. These are so pretty. Oh, look, you guys. I spot something new. Look what this store has. They have the faceted tea light holders. That is so pretty. They have it in the white, the black, and the gray. These are so cute. So you guys, I just came back here because I had to grab some of my favorite LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Orange. You guys know I love that for my laundry. They have lots of name brand stuff in here. Pretty much every week I come in here. They have the Spick and Span antibacterial spray cleaner. And then we also have the multi-surface spray cleaner by Comet. I'm currently using this one at home. And I'm looking to see if they have it. They have another one that's purple. I think it's a lavender that Comet makes. I also really like that. And then we have lots of smaller Lysol bottles here. But you guys, this makes 5 gallons. So this makes 5 gallons of cleaner. And you can just put it in your own bottles. So we have the Sparkling Lemon and Sunflower Essence, the Cherry Blossom and Pomegranate, and we also have Hawaii Sunset Essence, and of course the traditional Pine Sol pine scent. I really want to smell this Hawaii Sunset Essence, but I don't think I can, you guys. I think it has a silver seal. Let me see if I can smell it. I was actually able to open it and it smells pretty nice. I really like the idea of us being able to make our own spray. I mean, most of these sprays consist a lot of water anyways. Another great deal down here, you guys, are the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes. We get 30 wipes in a container. This is the lemon scent, and this is the fresh scent. I'm going to finish up my Clorox wipes at home, and next time I need wipes, I'm definitely going to buy them here. Look, you guys, we have a Lavender Fresh Comet. That's my first time seeing that here. And I have to say my new favorite dishwashing soap has to be this Palmolive Oxy, because to me it smells a lot like laundry detergent, and I just think it smells so fresh and clean. You get 10 ounces in that bottle. They also have the almond milk and blueberry scent. This is what I'm currently using at home. It's okay, you guys. I really prefer this one, but I wish the bottle was just a little bit bigger. But we have lots and lots of name brand detergents. If you guys are new to the Dollar Tree community, always stop at your Dollar Tree first, because they have so many name brand things that you just wouldn't expect. We have Palmolive, a couple different scents. We have the Raspberry Coconut. We have Dawn. This is a non-concentrated soap. We have a Pomegranate Splash. I've never tried that. We have a Platinum down here. Platinum. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried some of these scents that I mentioned, because I haven't tried everything. Well, hey, you guys, if you enjoyed this shop with me, be sure to check out my next live shop with me here in Dollar Tree. I tend to come here most Mondays around about 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.